Your business is your baby, your love, your everything. It's what keeps you awake at night, then talks you to sleep. It rises up with you in the morning. It defines you, inspires you, and gives your life meaning. It's what keeps the skip in your step, the fire under your butt. You walk the walk, talk the talk, and look the look. You live it, breathe it, and constantly reinvent it. It brings you happiness, sadness, madness, and keeps you on your toes. It can bring you to tears and light you up like the 4th of July. You'll go to any heights to make sure it's a success. We document what you do, how you do it, better, faster, cheaper than your competition. We film what is pertinent, visual, captivating, authentically you. You sell it, we show it. We make your product video, your explainer, your web video, and we show and tell your target market what you do every day. And they want you. Because there is only one company just like yours, and it is yours. We capture a window into your business, and you live on our set. You feel like a star, you look like a star, and shine on us with your business savvy. And so will we. You need a video company that gets your vision, creativity. We live it, breathe it, deliver it. We are Klein Creative Media, and we define your brand, and we capture your story. Get creative, get Klein Creative Media as your video business partner.